What do you think?
So cute.
Okay, this is the GoGo Mini Round Brush. So it's awesome for, like, say you're going out after work, you could put it in your work bag and touch up, or if you're going out after the gym, maybe like you can have it in your gym bag. I love it for weekend because, you know, you've got a lot of long hair. You're clearly going to do it with a regular size tool. But like if you're going away for the weekend, you could then have this in your bag and just touch up through the weekend. You don't have to bring your big tool with you. Even though it's small, it's mighty, it's powerful. You're gonna see it, I'm gonna show you how to use it.
Awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the bangs because it's awesome for bang touch up. I love it. And what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna give you a little bit of lift first. So that's like literally just coming in here and kind of lifting that. But do you feel the tension I'm giving it?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna give it tension because I just wanna kind of direct your bang back. Like just so that it goes. Ooh,
wow.
like that.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
All right, wanna give it a try?
Yeah.
Push through it. That's nice tension. You can feel it, right?
Yeah.
And now it's just gonna.
Oh wow. So much volume.
All right, so now to touch up these curls, you're just gonna go ahead and put it in, and I like to get that all the way around there, right? Hold for about 5 seconds, and then you're just coming down, doing a full spin, meaning like the whole tool spins around. Hold it for just a few seconds, and now I'm coming to the next section, a full spin, and then just come out. Look at that, perfect girl. Think you can do that?
I think so.
So I would just brush through it all the way, just to make sure there's no knots in there. Great. And then go ahead and you can start the curl wherever you want it. Perfect. A nice full spin. And hold for a sec. And then you're just gonna come down. It's like you're curling a ribbon, right? Just make sure that hair goes in those teeth. You can't burn yourself. You can touch that, no problem. Yeah, nice full spin. And the fuller the spin, the stronger the curl. Ooh,
wow.
Look at that.
I think I just want to try one more piece in the back.
Okay.
And see if it's easy to do it back there too.
Okay. So you're gonna do the same thing, and I would brush through that section. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do a full spin. As long as you come down, that'll never get caught, like down instead of out. And just give it a time to work, right? Like
Yeah,
hold it there for a
hold.
second. Ooh,
Oh wow.
you did it. Did you think that was easy?
Yeah, it was
Especially
just
doing
as
hair in the
easy.
back? You can't burn yourself.
Yeah.
So that's the best part. Wow. What a great touch up. Look at the curls. Just soft. Even on your long hair, like, and it's heavy, but it just touches it up, gets that frizz out of there, like you don't like.
No, it gets all the frizz out. It's crazy.
And the bang just is like swooping so perfectly.
I love it.
Good job. You're like a
Thank
pro now with your go-go.
Thank you.